The song Hark, the Herald Angels Sing is a cornerstone of Christmas music, familiar to millions around the world. Its jubilant melody and profound lyrics capture the essence of the Christmas spirit, but what do we really know about this iconic hymn? Today, we'll explore the fascinating history of this carol, uncover its biblical roots, and consider its relevance in our lives today. Our journey begins in the 18th century with Charles Wesley, one of the founders of Methodism, who penned the original lyrics in 1739. The hymn was initially titled Hymn for Christmas Day and appeared in the collection Hymns and Sacred Poems. Interestingly, Wesley's original opening line was "Hark, how all the welkin rings," a phrase that has since been replaced with the more recognizable "Hark, the herald angels sing." It was Wesley's friend, George Whitefield, an evangelical preacher, who revised the text and altered that opening line to the one we know today. The melody, as beloved as the words, was not originally composed for this hymn. It comes from a cantata written by Felix Mendelssohn in 1840 to commemorate the 400th anniversary of Johannes Gutenberg's printing press. It was adapted to fit the lyrics by musician William H. Cummings, forever linking Mendelssohn's music with Wesley's words. Delving into the substance of the carol, we find that its lyrics are deeply steeped in biblical references. The song narrates the birth of Jesus Christ as heralded by angels, drawing inspiration primarily from the Gospel of Luke, chapter 2, verses 8 to 14. This passage describes how a multitude of angels appeared to shepherds in the fields, proclaiming the birth of Christ with great joy, singing, "Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill toward men." The hymn echoes this heavenly message with its powerful lines about peace, reconciliation, and divine glory. The song further explores theological themes such as the incarnation of Christ, pointing to how Jesus, fully divine and fully human, came to earth to offer salvation to mankind. The line, "Veiled in flesh the Godhead see, hail the incarnate deity," encapsulates this mystery, God taking human form to bridge the gap between heaven and earth. As we consider the hymn's impact today, its themes resonate profoundly in our modern world. At its core, Hark, the Herald Angels Sing is a message of hope, peace, and unity. In times of division and uncertainty, the call to peace on earth and mercy mild offers a reminder of the harmony and goodwill that are possible through love and understanding. Furthermore, the hymn encourages us to reflect upon the transformative power of the Christmas story. It challenges us to embrace the spirit of giving, not just during the festive season, but throughout our lives. Acts of kindness, compassion, and charity are ways we can embody the song's message, becoming living heralds of hope and goodwill in our communities. In addition, the carol invites us to experience the joy and wonder of the Christmas season, much like the shepherds who first received the angelic announcement. By cultivating a sense of awe and gratitude, we can find deeper meaning and satisfaction in our everyday lives, nourishing our spiritual selves. In conclusion, Hark, the Herald Angels Sing is much more than a beautiful Christmas carol. It is a bridge between the past and present, a synthesis of history, theology, and personal reflection. Whether resounding through the halls of a cathedral or softly sung around a Christmas tree, its message is timeless and universal. As we sing along this holiday season, may we carry its light into our hearts, echoing the angels' song not just in our words, but in our actions.